I'm Sarah from the Global Digital Trade Development Foundation. The 7th Istanbul Blockchain Economy Summit was successfully held as scheduled and is renowned as one of the largest blockchain events worldwide. The summit attracted prominent figures and experts from the cryptocurrency industry, who extensively discussed various topics related to the future of financial technology. Istanbul, being an economic and financial trade center, provided participants with the vast opportunities and prospects. The summit covered numerous significant themes, including shaping the future trajectory, the resurgence of the Bitcoin bull market, managing cryptocurrency and DeFi risks, the role of NFTs in protecting art from infringement, among others. Additionally, discussions were held on the future of decentralized exchanges, the potential of the metaverse, the development prospect of NFT leasing, innovation in the global real estate market, on the impact of big data and artificial intelligence on cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. Attendees from over 80 countries enjoyed a wide-ranging social and networking platform during the summit. As a leading gathering representing the blockchain and cryptocurrency world, the Istanbul Blockchain Economy Summit refined and anticipated the future of the financial sector, actively driving the integration and development of digital trade. The Global Digital Trade Development Foundation, as a core driving force behind digital trade globally, collaborated with core enterprises of the Industry Alliance to provide integrated digital trade solutions encompassing global communication, global payments, and global commerce for participating companies. The summit offers a comprehensive and one-stop digital solution, empowering enterprises in their goal expansion strategies and facilitating their pursuit of goal development goals.